Hello and welcome back to the channel of Trucking Train Nations. I know I was supposed to do a live stream today, but I didn't need to. I need to reach the 50 subs goal. Reach goal of 50 subs in order to do a live stream. So in that case, I'm gonna have to just go ahead and go to flow and just show you who I am behind the scenes of who is behind the camera of Trucking Train Nations. Hello, it's I, Trucking Train Nations. Or should I say, my name is Christopher, known as Trucking Train Nations. Like things about myself, I started YouTube back, like, sometime, a long time ago, before this year. Like, about 4 years ago, probably 6, can't remember, but it was sometime around then. And, of course, been doing YouTube for that long, but I've been slacking for a bit, went to work and all. So yeah, I turned 20 last month on the 15th of February, and as you can tell, I currently in my sleeping quarters right now, which is my bunk, where I usually do my most videos for games and such, is out there in my office. That's behind that shelf. You just all saw see it's all, but the TV screen and all. But yeah, it's out there. But I will not be showing you today. I'll be showing you a setup of my office next video. So if you're all want to see more trucks or train videos, just leave it down in the comments below, or give me a thumbs up for up, because somehow I can't not see comments, so I had to turn on. So be ready for that. And all live streams will be done on Instagram. B at the that's capital B at the 1_3_2 on Instagram. That's capital B, capital F, capital D, 1_32 on Instagram. Join me here today that I decided to when I posted my community tab for the live stream date of the live streams that you have for me on Instagram. If you have questions for me, leave them DM me on Instagram for questions to rate the channel. I will answer them on YouTube. Take care. See you next time. I'll catch y'all later.